I'm here inside our greenhouse, and today I'm going to harvest most of the turnips that I planted in sometime in the fall. And there's a lot of turnips here. I have neglected them and they continue to grow. That's just what turnips and radish do. Some have rotten. Look at that, it's rotten. And there's good sized turnips here, and there's huge sized here. This is the size of my youngest son's head. Look how big that is. Look at that. So I'm going to pull some, and I'm going to make kimchi, or fermented turnips. I'm gonna put it right here on this side. Let's see. Do this one here. Look at the size there. We still have drip irrigation here, but it's been off for a week because we're doing trenching. We're going to have some water just dedicated for the greenhouse. But the soil is still moist. You look how big that is. It's big. And I want to cut this one up. It's so big. I'm curious. This one here, it's split a little bit. You know, the bigger it becomes, the harder, the easier it gets to splitting. Now I'm going to pull this one out. I'm going to pull this out. Oh, it's so big. Yeah. Look. Looky, looky. There's no split. There's no split at all. No crack, no nothing. So I'm going to see the size of this. This big. It's a huge turnip. So here they are. I have these harvests today. I'm going to make fermented turnips. I'll put carrots, ginger, and the turnips. These are actually oversized. If you go to a grocery store, you can buy this size. It's typical for this size, but these are oversized. This one has split. This one too. So I have 5 out. So this will make good fermented kimchi. And this one is the biggest size, and I'm going to cut this open so you will see what's inside. If it's grainy, if it's spongy. To me, it's heavy. It's solid, so I think it's still good inside. So let's open this. Let's slice and cut, and you will see what's inside. Okay, let me cut this. Still good. It's not spongy. It's so good. So turnips can grow huge. Not just the size, the regular size that you can see at the grocery store. Let me taste the flavor. I know, I'm going to peel it because I have not washed it. So I'm going to just clean it up a little bit, and then let me try and taste it. It's not spongy, it's not grainy or anything. So this is what I cut off from this piece, and let me taste it. It's not grainy. It's still crunchy. So you can get a turnip this big without compromising the quality of the turnips. It's still crunchy. It's not spongy. So radish, turnips, you can let them grow for as long as they want to grow. good soil, fertile soil, they can get this huge.